Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on podcasting equipment with Anchor, detailed guide step by step clearly. If you want to save on podcasting equipment, using Anchor is a smart choice. Start by assessing what you currently have. Check if your smartphone or laptop can record audio. Many devices have built-in microphones that are adequate for beginners. Next, download the Anchor app or visit the Anchor website. Sign up for a free account if you don't have one yet. Anchor provides tools that help you record high-quality audio directly. Explore the app's features, which allow recording interviews remotely. Consider using your smartphone headphones with a microphone. This can enhance audio quality without breaking the bank. If you need to invest in a microphone, look for budget-friendly options. USB microphones often provide excellent quality at reasonable prices. After securing your recording setup, focus on editing. Anchor offers built-in editing features that are user-friendly. Learn how to splice audio and incorporate music from Anchor's library. Utilizing these features helps you produce polished episodes. Next, think about your podcast's branding. Create eye-catching cover art with free online design tools. This can be done on platforms like Canva. Maintaining a professional look attracts listeners. As you grow, consider upgrading equipment gradually. Invest in a pop filter to enhance audio quality. This minimizes plosive sounds that can disrupt your recordings. Keep in mind that consistent content is more important than perfect sound. Engage with your audience through social media for feedback. Monitor the performance of your episodes using Anchor's analytics. This data can guide you on what works and what to adjust. Stay focused on your podcast's content and message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.